Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're checking out 5 of the best 3D printers you can buy right now. These printers are fast, easy to use, and a lot of fun. I'll cover the main features, the best points, and a couple of small downsides for each one. If something catches your eye, the links are in the video description, so you can check them out anytime. Let's dive in and see which printer might be perfect for you. Product number 1. FLSUN S1 3D Printer. The FLSUN S1 is a super fast printer that feels powerful yet easy. It can reach up to 1,200 millimeters per second, which is one of the highest speeds you'll find, cutting print times by a lot. It uses a 350 degrees Celsius direct extruder, so you can work with many types of filament, including tougher ones. The delta frame is very steady, which helps keep prints smooth, even at high speed. You also get real-time monitoring and full auto leveling, which takes away guesswork. No need for manual tweaks, just press start and go. This printer is designed to be ready out of the box, so you don't waste hours setting it up. It's big, bold, and built for people who want speed and power. Pros: lightning-fast printing saves hours. Smart monitoring and leveling are beginner-friendly. Cons: large size can take up more desk space. Comment: if you want high speed without tricky setup, the FLSUN S1 is a strong pick. Product number 2. Creality K2 Plus Combo. The Creality K2 Plus Combo is made for big, colorful projects. It has a speed of up to 600 millimeters per second, which is quick, but the real highlight is multicolor printing with the CFS system. You can mix colors in your designs without switching printers. The build volume is huge at almost 14 inches in every direction, which means larger models fit with no issue. It also comes with dual AI cameras, making monitoring easy, plus full auto leveling, so setup is simple. The direct drive extruder helps with tricky filaments like flexible ones, giving you smoother results. It feels creative and versatile, perfect for hobbyists who want their prints to look bright and unique. Pros: multicolor printing brings creative freedom. Huge build area supports large designs. Cons: extra time needed when printing with many colors. Comment: if you love bold, colorful prints, this model will spark ideas fast. Product number 3. Creality K1 SE. The Creality K1 SE is a smart and compact 3D printer built for speed and ease. It can print up to 600 millimeters per second, so jobs finish fast without losing detail. The printer levels itself, saving you time and stress. The direct extruder is made for smooth printing with fewer clogs. One great feature is the quick swap trimetal nozzle. You can change or clean it in seconds, which makes upkeep much easier. The build volume is 250 by 220 by 220 millimeters, a good size for hobby projects without being bulky. It's small enough to fit on a desk, but still offers enough room for most models. This printer balances size, speed, and features in a way that works well for both beginners and experienced users. Pros: fast printing with little setup. Quick swap nozzle makes care easy. Cons: build area is smaller than some other printers. Comment: if you want a compact, quick printer with smart features, the K1 SE is a safe bet. Product number 4. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M Pro. The FLSUN Adventurer 5M Pro is a user-friendly 3D printer that makes printing stress-free. It has a one-click auto printing system, so you can start jobs with almost no prep. It prints at 600 millimeters per second, giving quick results. The nozzle heats up to 280 degrees Celsius and can be removed fast, which makes cleaning simple. The core XY all-metal frame is strong and stable, so prints stay smooth. The build size is 220 by 220 by 220 millimeters, which is good for home use, school projects, or everyday hobby prints. It's not too big, not too small, just right for most desks. If you're new to 3D printing, this model helps you learn without feeling overwhelming. Even for regular users, it's a handy machine with steady results. Pros: one-click auto printing is very simple. Easy nozzle removal makes upkeep faster. Cons: midsize build area may feel limiting for big projects. Comment: if you want simple, reliable printing, the Adventurer 5M Pro is a great fit. Product number 5. Original Prusa MK4S. The original Prusa MK4S is a trusted name in the 3D world. It comes fully built and tested, so you can start right away. No hours of setup or trial runs. It just works. It includes removable print sheets, making it easy to take finished parts off the bed. You also get a full kilogram of Prusa PLA, so you can begin your first print right out of the box. The build size is about 9.8 by 8.3 by 8.6 inches, a solid mid-range size for hobby or small pro projects. What makes Prusa stand out is stability and quality. Prints are consistent, with fewer errors, and the machine lasts for years. It may cost more than some, but you're paying for long-term peace of mind. Pros: fully assembled and tested, ready to go. Known for excellent print quality. Cons: price is higher than similar mid-size printers. Comment: if you value reliable, long-lasting quality, the Prusa MK4S is worth the cost. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.